In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fully remove an email account from Pipedrive CRM. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, explain what each action does, and highlight one important difference that often causes confusion. By the end, you'll have your mailbox completely removed from Pipedrive with confidence. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, choose Personal Preferences, then select Email Sync. This is where all your connected mailboxes live, along with the settings that control how they talk to Pipedrive. On the left side, you'll see a list of connected email accounts. Click the specific mailbox you want to remove. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the right one, especially if you manage more than one account. Selecting the correct mailbox here ensures the next steps apply to the right connection. Scroll down to the section labeled Account Management. Before you can delete the account from Pipedrive, you first need to stop the sync. Click the red Stop Sync button. This action immediately disconnects Pipedrive from that mailbox and prevents any new messages from syncing. It's a required safety step and helps avoid conflicts while removing the account. Once the sync is stopped, you're ready to remove the account entirely. Look for the trash can icon located next to the option that says Reconfigure as Team Account. Click the trash can. You'll see a prompt confirming that you're about to remove account. This is the command that fully deletes the mailbox connection from Pipedrive. Go ahead and confirm the removal. After you confirm, the account disappears from your list of connected mailboxes. Pipedrive will no longer access or attempt to sync that inbox, and the connection is fully cleared from your email sync settings. If you ever need to use that mailbox again in Pipedrive, you can add it back later as a fresh connection. Here's the key difference to remember. Stop Sync disconnects the email but leaves the account listed, so you can restart it later. The trash can, labeled Remove Account, permanently deletes the mailbox connection from Pipedrive. If your goal is a complete cleanup, make sure you stop the sync first and then remove the account. That's all there is to it. You went to Email Sync, selected the mailbox, stopped the sync, clicked the trash can to remove it, and confirmed the change. Thanks for watching.